What's up again, everyone? It's Romeo here. I'm just going to show you another little video on a graphic design that I've been seeing lately on YouTube. It's called EDM, electronic dance music style of graphic design. It's kind of like that glitch effect. I'm going to show you some examples. So you have this effect here where you've got the main picture, you've got like different colors surrounding it, giving it that glitch effect. So you can use these vector images. They're mainly white vector images that you can use to create these images. Now, what I've mainly seen on YouTube is that you can, the videos that I've seen, they've been done on Infinite Designer and on Photopea as well. But what I'm going to be showing you today is how to create this type of images using Photoshop. Okay, so these are the sort of images that we're going to be creating. You can see how it's done. You've got those they've got those 3 or 4 different colors in there, but what I didn't see was that I didn't see any ones on there done for Photoshop. So I had a little play around with Photoshop and found a way of creating images like this. So let's get down to it. So the first thing I want to do is go into ChatGPT, and we're going to create one of those images. So I've already got a prompt written out, and it's going to be create a vector image of a white skull and headphones with a black background. So we're going to let it do its thing and see what it comes out with. I have already got some of these ones already done. If I don't like the one that it's done, I'll use the one that I've done, but that's what I basically used. We'll see what it generates for us. You can use any type of whatever type of AI software that you might be using. I especially use ChatGPT to do this sort of stuff. So we'll see what it gives us. That's quite a cool skull, that is. And I think the one that I did previously is pretty much like that, but I'm going to use this one anyway. So we're going to download this image. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up Photoshop, and we're going to open up a new file. And we're going to have the width and the height is going to be 4500 by 5400. So that's in pixels. So that's going to be just right enough for you to, with 300 resolution, that's going to be great enough for you to do any, to put it onto a t-shirt. It's going to be big enough to put onto a t-shirt. But what you've got to remember is that your color mode is RGB. This will only work with RGB colors, not the CMYK ones. Make sure you have RGB selected in Photoshop. So we're going to go to create. We'll start off with a white background here. I'm just going to switch that off. I'll turn that back on in a minute. I will. Now we're going to look for our image that we created. Let's see where it is. Downloads. There it is. Go into Photoshop. There we go. Do that. Drag that into Photoshop. There's our image. What I want to do first is rasterize the image. Now I'm going to erase the background. Get rid of the background there. I'm going to keep the eyes how they are. Let's change this background as well. Just going to click that. Move me back up there. Change the background black, so that when we do go to see it, we've got our black background if we're going to put it onto a t-shirt or anything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this image 3 times. So I've got 2 times, but so I've got 3 of them. And we've got to remember is that the colors you're going to put them in is going to be blue at the top, then red, and then green at the bottom. So it's going to be blue at the top, green in the blue at the top, red in the middle, and then green at the bottom. But obviously, with this one, what we're going to do is I'm going to choose a green. A blue color, and put it right to the top there. I'm going to use my fill in all the bits now in blue. I'll try and do this as quickly as possible for you as well, so we're not wasting too much time. Now we're going to do this with the rest of those 3 colours. That one there. So now we've got our blue one. Click on the middle one there. We're going to turn this one red. Fill in all those bits in with the colour. That one's red. Turn it off. We're going to do this one green. See, I left that in the corner like how it is. Choose that one green. Sorry if the sound is not very good because I'm using my laptop and I'm recording from my laptop and I've not got my mic set up, so the sound quality might be a bit pants. There we go. So we've got our 3 colours now all set up. We've got a green at the bottom, red in the middle, blue at the top. Click them all on. Now what we're going to do is going to zoom out. Zoom out a little bit like that so we can see it all. Now we're going to do the top one. Now we're going to change the blending mode to linear dodge, where it's got the add next to it. Click on that. Same with the red. Change the blending mode, linear dodge, add. Now you can see it's gone white now. Click that off. You can see what the colours that it's showing. Now what we're going to do is click on the blue one, go to our move tool, and just going to move it to the side. Then with the red one, I'm going to move that opposite way, and you can see now we've got that glitch effect now. Not going to do anything with the green one. I'm going to leave it how it is. Click on our background colour, and there we have it, our glitch effect. Now you can do this with bold fonts, any sort of lettering or anything like that. You saw how quickly it was done using Photoshop. Very simply done. You can see what we did. Duplicated the picture 2 times. Did it blue, red, green. Blue at the top, square bit at the top, red in the middle, green at the bottom. And then changed the blending modes to linear dodge, add. And then the red one to linear dodge, add as well. Leave the green how it is. And then just move them left and right. But not only do you want to, you don't have to just use them. Let me just click them back to how they were. Now you don't have to just use them from left and right. You can do them up and down as well. So move that one up, the blue one up, and then we can move the green one down as well. So you can do it like that as well. Just click on the background, and there we go. We can do it like that as well. That one actually looks pretty cool, that does. Now you can, once you download it, you can download it without the background. Just click the background off, save it to your files, and then you can upload that to a t-shirt. So you can do it like that as well. But I quite like it like that. That looks pretty cool. That. But you know what? You don't have to do it with the blue going up, with the red going down as well. You could do it with the red. Mess it. You can play around with it. See what you feel, what you want to do. See, I've moved the red one up, and then I moved the blue one down like that. So we've got that effect. There we go. So you've got that as well. So you can do it however you want, really. We can do it even with them all. So we move that one up, And then we can move that one up as well. See, that one's all right, but I kind of like it. So that they were all moved up. I didn't move them in the opposite directions. They were all moved up. But that is still okay. But I prefer it when you got one moved up and you got one moved down as well. Go back to how it was. Let's move the blue one up and the red one down. There we go, everyone. Quick little tutorial there on how to create that EDM glitch effect using ChatGPT and using Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like, and I'll catch you again for another video if I come up with something. Catch you later on. Peace out.